The Pimm's Cup is a refreshing British cocktail known for its crisp and fruity taste. It's traditionally associated with summer and outdoor events like Wimbledon or garden parties. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces Pimm's No. 1, a gin-based liqueur with a secret mix of herbs and fruit. 4 ounces lemonade. You can also use lemon-lime soda or ginger ale as a substitute. Several cucumber slices. Fresh cucumber slices add a crisp, refreshing note. A few strawberries. Hull and slice these for a sweet, fruity addition. A couple orange slices. Provide citrus notes to enhance the flavor. A few sprigs fresh mint adds a cool herbal aroma and taste. For equipment you will need highball glass, mixing spoon, knife, cutting board. Here are the instructions. Fill a highball glass with ice cubes. Pour in 2 ounces of Pimm's No. 1. Add 4 ounces of lemonade, lemon-lime soda, or ginger ale. Stir gently with a mixing spoon to combine. Add fresh cucumber slices, strawberries, orange slices, and a few sprigs of fresh mint to the glass. Give it one last gentle stir to distribute the garnish. The Pimm's Cup was created in 1840 by James Pimm, a British oyster bar owner, and originally sold as a health tonic.